Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com for IT support tickets, the complete 2025 guide. Start by logging into your Monday.com account. The reason we do this is quite obvious, to access your workspace and manage your support tickets. Now that we're in, head over to the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on Add New, followed by Board. This is crucial because each board represents a different project or department. In this case, we're creating a board for IT support tickets. Next up, customize your board by adding relevant columns for ticket details. You might include columns for reporter, priority, status, and due date. These columns help in organizing and prioritizing the tickets, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. With our board ready, let's add a ticket. Click on New Item, input the ticket details into the respective columns. This helps us because each item represents an individual ticket, and filling in the details gives us a bird's-eye view of each issue at hand. Now, let's integrate automations to streamline the process. Click on Automate at the top, then choose relevant automation like when a status changes to something, notify someone. This is important because it ensures the right people are alerted immediately when a ticket status changes, speeding up resolution times. Lastly, let's not forget about the search and filter option. This tool is a lifesaver when you need to quickly find a ticket or view tickets based on specific criteria. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on using Monday.com for IT support tickets. Remember, the key is to keep your board organized and make good use of automations. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next guide.